Hello everyone, Chris from Shefflock again. As you can see, it's another day, it's the 19th of February 2020. Another lock snapping burglary, standard handle, standard Euro lock snapped and entry gained. It's very quiet, very quick. It's an easy and straightforward remedy that we supply at Shefflock, which is a Ultion Euro lock cylinder. Can't be broken and entry gained, impossible, proven time and time again. And if you team that with a lock security handle by the same company, you have maximised all the available options for you in regards to the mechanics and how they gain entry. Those products also withstand the blowtorch method, which I'll cover in another article video in the coming week, which has hit Sheffield for the first time. This particular incident is an intake Sheffield on Newlands Grove. So if you live in and around the S12 area, you need to make sure you've got the right locks and handles. Contact us via Facebook, email, or phone us via 0114 4426 Very, very simple. We'll send you through a quick guide, run you through what you've got. We don't even have to attend to give you the right advice.